Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining today's training session. Our goal is to ensure that every pallet we wrap is stable, secure, and protected during transport and storage. By following the correct wrapping method, we not only improve safety and efficiency, but also reduce product damage and material waste. Let's work through the proper techniques step by step. From anchoring the pallet wrap at the base, applying consistent tension as we move up the load, to safely storing the roll afterward. Whether you're new to pallet wrapping or just brushing up on your skills, this session will help you wrap like a pro. Let's get started. Before we begin wrapping, it's important to check that the tacky or sticky side of the pallet wrap is facing inward. This side should be in contact with the products and the pallet. The tack helps the wrap cling securely and keeps the entire load stable during movement or transport. A quick touch test will help you identify the sticky side. It should feel slightly more textured or resistant than the outer surface. Start by anchoring the wrap to the base. Tie or twist it around a corner of the pallet, securing it firmly to the slats or under the product. Wrap the base 2 to 3 times while walking around the pallet. Keep firm tension to lock the load in place. Then work your way upward, overlapping each layer by about 50%. Maintain steady tension and angle the wrap slightly upward to keep the load stable. Pay close attention to how the pallet wrap is stretched as you move around the pallet. Consistent tension is key to securing the load properly. Keep it tight, keep it steady. Every wrap adds strength and protects your load. Take a moment to check your wrap. Secure and even? Now, let's lock it in with a final pass down. For extra hold, twist the wrap slightly around corners. On taller or unstable loads, you can also wrap halfway back down for added strength and stability. Almost done! Tear or cut the wrap from the roll, then press the end firmly against the pallet. You can also tuck it under a corner or secure it using the sticky side. Key points to remember. Start strong. Always secure the wrap tightly at the base of the pallet before you begin. Sticky side in, make sure the tacky side of the wrap faces inward to grip the product properly. Tension is key. Keep steady firm tension as you move around the pallet. Too loose and the load won't hold. Store properly. Keep unused rolls upright in a clean, dry area with the loose end tucked in to avoid damage or waste. Keep these tips in mind each time you wrap. Well done! You've now learned the proper technique to wrap a pallet securely and efficiently. Remember, a well-wrapped pallet protects your products, improves safety, and keeps customers happy. Thanks for joining us, and wrap with confidence.